teacher and I don't know kung mag-teacher ako.
It suggests motion, it suggests action. One natin? One natin? Halos, it means here, this is what we call the one natin. With the smaller bones being the background and the bigger bones as the foreground. So nagiging background to the highlights. Very good. Okay, very good kasi may mga smooth. And it gives action. Ano ba ang texture? What else? Color? What else? There, Zaire. Sabi nga nila, art is everything. They also vary kung sa thickness and sa thickness ng line. In your delivery, in your performance.
So we're done of being FS and field study. Ang gibuhat lang namo whole day is mag-observe, di ba boy? I don't know. And mora to among gibuhat dito, mag-observe. We've seen a lot of things and sige lang, good shit. Good shit. And we are good. We're done. This is the first day, boy. How's the experience?
Okay lang.
Tama lang.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Wala pa ganito na layo. Wala pa far wa. Dami na kayo. Pero sige lang. Banat ah.
What are your expectations? So,
Banat ah, banat.